Good day everyone. My name is Kinijoy Titalha. Week 3 and 4. Discrete Mathematics. Universal Quantifiers. Part C. Universal and Extensional Quantifiers. The universal quantifier is a local symbol that says something is true for every item in a group. It's like saying, no matter which elements you pick, the rules still work. Definitions. This is symbols, meaning for every or for all. This is form. Read as for all x, p of x is true. How this relates to the eight worlds. Universal quantifiers in IT, the symbols represent for every or for all. In computer science and IT, it is used to describe rules or combinations that must hold true for all users, all records, or every item in a dataset. Conclusion. Universal quantifier in the IT, the universal quantifier denotes for every in computing and information system. It is often applied to state that a property, restrictions, or validations must hold true across the entire sets of users, data entries, or system components.